Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a broker that supports Apple and has low fees. Pick one with fractional shares if you want small investments. Once you verify your ID and link a bank, deposit the amount you plan to use. Make sure to decide whether you'll buy whole shares or fractions and set a target dollar amount. This gets your account trade ready so you can jump into the next step quickly and avoid delays. Now search for the ticker Apple and inspect the real-time price and a quick chart to confirm timing. You're checking momentum and price level. Next, choose an order type. Market executes now, limit waits at your price, stop triggers if price moves, enter the number of shares or dollar amount. Once set, review estimated fees and the total cost. Confirm the preview so you know exactly what will execute and why before you hit buy. After sending the order, watch the execution status and save the trade receipt. Confirmation shows filled price and quantity, which matters for taxes. Once done, set alerts and risk controls like stop loss or take profit orders so you manage downside automatically. You'll thank yourself later. Finally, monitor dividends and year-end tax forms such as Form 1099 and rebalance your portfolio occasionally. If an order fails, contact support and retry with a limit order to avoid unwanted fills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.